Hello friends, let's find out the value of x. Question is square root of 1 over 3 whole to the power negative square root of x is equal to 9. First we will recall a rule. When we have square root of a, then it can be a to the power 1 over 2, right? So this square root can be written as 1 over 3 whole to the power 1 over 2. And here we have negative square root of x. Now we can multiply these two. So it will be 1 over 3 whole to the power negative square root of x over 2. Now let's refer a rule. When we have 1 over a, then it can be a to the power negative 1. So according this, 1 over 3 can be written as 3 to the power negative 1. And 9 is 3 square. Now these two can multiply, so negative will be positive. So it will be 3 to the power square root of x over 2 is equal to 3 square. It's the same base both the sides, so these two can be equated. So we have square root of x over 2 is equal to 2. Multiply by 2 both the sides. So these two get cancelled out and we have square root of x is equal to 4. Squaring both sides, square root will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to 16 and this is our answer. Thanks for joining. Until next one. Bye bye.